In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CMS-powered FAQs in Webflow in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the details you need to get started with your FAQ section quickly and efficiently. To begin, head over to the Webflow website. If you're new to Webflow, it's a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without needing to write any code. Now, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. For those with an account, simply click on Log In and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all your website projects. Here, select the project you want to add your FAQ section to. By doing this, you'll enter the project workspace, which is where all the magic happens. Next, we need to delve into the CMS functionalities. Click on CMS in the left-hand panel. This will open up the content management settings where you can create and manage various content types on your website. What we're going to do here is set up a new collection specifically for those frequently asked questions. Click on Create New Collection. You'll want to name this collection something appropriate like FAQs, as it will help you organize your content better. After naming your collection, it's time to add relevant fields. These fields are crucial as they're where you'll input your FAQ content, such as the question itself, the answer, and possibly additional resources like images or links if they're relevant. For example, you'll likely want a regular text field for the questions and a rich text field for the answers. Rich text is particularly useful if you need to format the answer or include any additional media like links or images. If you're planning to add images to illustrate answers, ensure you add an image field too. And if there are any external resources you want to link to for further reading, a link field will come in handy. Once you've set up all necessary fields, you can start entering your FAQs. This setup not only organizes your content efficiently, but also makes it easily updatable in the future. You can add, modify, or remove FAQs without diving into the design of your pages again, which is one of the major advantages of using CMS-powered content in Webflow. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now create a dynamic FAQ section on your Webflow site that is easy to manage and update. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful, and that you're ready to enhance your website's content with a functional and sleek FAQ section. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!